Let us now proceed and explore another topic in Java, that is array. A typical array in Java is basically the collection of same data type. It is of two forms. The first is a 1D array and the second one is the 2D array. Now the 1D array can also be called as just an array. So first of all, what is an array? Let's check it out with the help of this example. Now in our previous module, I taught you the concept of variables and data types with the help of the example of a class. Suppose this is a class of int that contains the value of 40. Similarly, I have another integer class that contains the value of 7. Another one has the value of 12. Now similarly, we have the character class of dollar, another character class, one more, and here again we have one more character class. And now similarly, we have some float values as well present inside the class. So each of the class represents some data type along with the value. And if you notice here, each of the data type is represented with some particular color. Now currently we have a lot of data type present in front of you. Why don't we organize it and place them together? So here we have the bunch of integer values, here bunch of character values, and here we have the couple of floating point values. Now suppose we place them on a tray. So these are now grouped together. So the array is basically the collection of similar type of data. So here we have the same type of integer values grouped together. So we call it as array. And to declare an array in terms of Java programming, we use this syntax: int followed by square bracket open and close, give it a space and your variable name, equal to followed by the values within the curly bracket separated by the comma 40, 7 and 12. Now similarly, we have the character array defined here, and within the curly bracket we have all the values defined in sequence. And similarly, we can declare the floating point array as well. Now notice here, in case of float, we use f every time we declare a floating point value. Now notice here, we cannot insert a character value within the integer array. And also within the float array, we cannot insert any other data type.